Hello, this is Matt Sullivan, Regional Director of Sales at Akumina. Today's Digital Workplace Minute will focus on how to use a digital workplace to deliver an employee experience that helps to both empower and manage remote or frontline employees. Whether a distributed workforce is new or normal to your organization, this should be helpful to understand how modern intranets can help your employees work smarter, not harder. Here is an example of a dashboard page that's meant to be a productivity center for a sales rep. By integrating with a CRM and then using relevant tagging, a member of the sales team can have a single pane of glass experience to bring together information of opportunities, relevant news, and tagged file assets to make them more efficient and productive. Now, this style of dashboard can easily be adapted to any number of roles. For marketing, this could be a pipeline report with analytics and a list of recently added marketing assets all together on the same screen. An IT employee could see a dashboard of open tickets and tasks along with relevant documentation. An HR member could see time off requests and other announcements that are relevant to the HR team. Another good example for a dashboard experience is that for a retail store manager. Like any good digital workplace, there's going to be content and data that's personalized for the user. In this case, I'm logged in as Sarah, and immediately I see new content at the top that's relevant to me. And then it has what we call a me bar, which is going to show me new messages, or in this case, new inventory that's arriving at my store. As I scroll down, I start to see tools that help me be a better manager. So there's calendars and tasks that are meant for me, but even below that, there's going to be information about my staffing schedule. Below that, I'm going to see sales projections for my store. Now, this helps the store manager see everything that they need to on one screen, on one dashboard that makes them more efficient. And lastly, productivity, both for frontline workers and managers, isn't limited to a screen and a desk. The Akumina employee experience is built on a responsive first framework, meaning a powerful and personalized experience is just as accessible on a phone or tablet as it is on a traditional browser. If you're interested in learning more about Akumina and what we do to empower organizations, please contact me at matt.sullivan@akumina.com. Thank you.